काँग्रेसीचे आमदार बीजेपीत येवन सरकार पक्षात बसपाक सोदतात म्हूण राजकीय वर्तुळात चर्चा चल्ल्या। मात आनीक काँग्रेसीच्या आमदारांक बीजेपीत घेवन बरे चलिल्ल्या ह्या युतीच्या सरकाराची स्टॅबिलिटी डिस्टर्ब करपाची ना म्हूण पर्रीकार उलयला।
तो विषय ना हांव पणजेचेर उलयतां, पणजे आमचोच आमदार आशिल्लो तो विशय ना। I am very happy with the current state of coalition. It's functioning very smoothly. There is no reason for me to disturb the stability.
आपणे पणजे सोडून दुसऱ्या खंयच्याच मतदारसंघाचो विचार केलो ना म्हूण पर्रीकारान स्पश्ट केलें।
कुडचड्याचे कार्यकर्त्यांचे लोकांचे आनी पर्टिक्युलरली आमदाराचे हांव आभार मानूंक सोदतां की ताणें कुडचडे आपलो सीट खाली करपाची तयारी दाखोवन एक बरें उदाहरण समोर दवरपाचो प्रयत्न केलो। हाजो कन्क्लुजन इतलेंच की पणजे 2 आमदार आनी कुडचड्याकूय 2 आमदार इनडायरेक्टली ताजो बेनिफीट दोनूय मतदारसंघाक जातलो। डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना हांव जसो पणजेचो डेव्हलपमेंट करतलो तशें हांवें प्रॉमीस दिला की कुडचड्या हांव लक्ष दिवन तांचेंय डेव्हलपमेंट करपाक जाय ती मदत दितलो। नो बेसिकली I was thinking only of Panji, to be frank. There was some people who said that why don't you contest from Kudsare? For me, full state is my constituency. So any constituency is equally. While I said about Panji and Kudsare, does not mean that other constituencies will not receive my attention. They will.
So, why did you take so much time to decide on Panjim?
Pardon?
Why did you delay so much deciding on Panjim?
No, I think we were waiting for GST bill to pass. So when the GST bill passed, immediately the decision was declared.
Right from day one, your target was Panjim.
I never thought of anything other than Panji as far as I am concerned, because I have been elected from the city for so long. But there was some offer coming from Kudsare, so they had to be told as a matter of respect that thank you very much.
पणजे भाजपाचे विनिंग मार्जिन परत 30% हाडपाचें टार्गेट पर्रीकारान दवरला। लोकशाहीत कोणय खंयच्यानूय वेंचणूक लडोवपाक शकता अशें बाबूश मोन्सेराताचेर उलयतना पर्रीकारान सांगलें।
It is 8% margin, around 8% margin. So that is not narrow. Though it was not as high as 25-30 I was getting. I'll get back 30%.
आपूण फुडलीं 5 वर्सां गोंयच्याच राजकारणांत आसतलो म्हूण पर्रीकारान मुद्दाम स्पश्ट केलां। तिसऱ्या टप्प्यांतले खातें वांटपाचेर आनी उरिल्ल्या महामंडळ वांटपाचेरूय पर्रीकार उलयलो।
I am here in Goa. His 5 years term at least. We don't think of anything. Absolutely. Central party leadership has taken the decision and told me to go. खाती वांटपाच्या संदर्भात निर्णय योग्य टायमार घेतलो वतलो। तिसरे खातें दिवपाच्या संदर्भात let many of the ministers are new and the 2 departments are quite heavy departments. It's not that normally तिसरे department जे दिले वता ते lighter department. So that the department by itself does not make much difference. The 2 departments which are with most of the ministers. Panchayatचे election जातकच the one minister will get second portfolio because Panchayat election itself is a task for the minister to complete. ताजी election जावनी
after Panchayat.
Health department is a very heavy department and he has to also spend time in by election.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुकाराम मराठे।